Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to take a look and unbox this NIUEN Wireless Lavalier Microphone for the iPhone. So stay with us. Welcome to Supercar Street Racing. If you're new to the channel, thanks for joining us. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It helps us out tremendously. And welcome back if you've been here before. Today on the channel, we're taking a look at the NIUEN Wireless Lavalier Microphone for the Apple. This does have a lightning connector on the back, so it is only for Apple products. And I don't actually own an Apple product that I can plug this into. So today we're just going to be taking a look at the unboxing and giving you guys a low-cost alternative to an expensive mic like this DJI right here on my hat. All right, taking a look inside the box for the NIUEN Wireless Lavalier Microphone, and we'll cut away to some pictures of this. It does come with an instruction manual. There's the instruction manual there. Also, it comes with a little charging cable, probably about 3 inches long. So it's just a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You can use anything to charge it. You can use a computer or a little USB adapter to charge a phone. It comes with the microphone itself, which clips on your lavalier or your collar. And then it comes with the receiver that goes directly into the phone. And that is everything that's included with the microphone. So now that you've taken a look at the actual product inside of the box, let's take a look at how you use this. So basically, this is the microphone portion of the device. And you can see on the side right here, it does have a USB Type-C port. And what you do to charge that thing is just take your USB-C cable and plug it into any device that has a USB outlet that normally powers a USB device. You can use your computer, you can use your little USB adapter for your phone, or pretty much anything to charge this. And when you do plug it in, you will see a red light come on to indicate that it is charging. Then you take this lightning adapter here and you place it in the back of your iPhone or your tablet, and then you're ready to start recording immediately. So this microphone that I have right here on the hat is the DJI mic, and if you're wondering why it's up on the bill of the hat, it's because sometimes when I put it here on my collar, it is a little bit muffled and I don't have a pocket or a lapel here to put it on, so I just put it right here on the top of my hat. I know it looks weird sometimes, but I saw somebody else online do it and I thought it was kind of a cool idea just because of the muffled sometimes. Welcome back to Supercar Street Racing. We are here in the beautiful 4K production studio once again to be with you guys to talk to you a little bit about this wireless microphone from NIUEN. But first, I just want to encourage you guys to please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out so much. And please click through any of our affiliate links down below to buy anything you want on Amazon, as we get a small commission from it. And it helps me buy equipment for the channel. We do need a camera. Think about me when you click through the links and do us a big old favor. Now, today we have the I don't know if I'm even saying it right, but it's the NIUEN microphone. Now, this is only for the iPhone, which is why we don't have an audio sample from it, because it is only for the iPhone. And I do not have an iPhone to test this with. Now, you can see right here on the screen, it does have the lightning connector there. And taking a look through some of the pictures here, we can see that it is a 65 milliamp hour battery inside of it. It says that it'll work for 6 to 8 hours, and it says that it will fully charge the battery in 1 hour. Now, I can also vouch for that because I did charge the battery with a USB Type-C from my phone, and it did take around an hour to fully charge. Now, when it does charge, there will be a little red light on the front of it letting you know that it is charging. Now, in our next picture here, you can see that all you have to do is just plug and play. And down here it says that the microphone and receiver cannot be used while calling. So you can't make a call and use this microphone to do that. It does record on to the actual recording And you can see right here, right now, the 3 steps. Plug it in, power on, connection succeeded. And now, this is hilarious, exquisite fixed clip. Yes, it is a built-in windproof. It has built-in windproof, it says. All-round recording, so meaning it can record pretty much anything. Full and rich sound. It holds to your collar firmly. It is fixed but not rigid. And it has a flexible position on it. Now here is some more details about it. It says that it has high sound quality, a highly sensitive microphone, and a newer smart chip with noise reduction. Now let's be honest here, 100% honest. You have to base this on the price of the microphone. You cannot for a second think that this microphone is going to sound like the DJI mic. This is an $11 microphone. The DJI is around $300 if I remember correctly. So you're going to get exactly what you pay for in this case, and I'm sure you know that. Now this thing has 14 reviews and they are all 5-star reviews, so that says something about it. But down here it does say that it's a new upgraded microphone, unrivaled audio quality, automatic noise reduction, built-in windshield. I think it's supposed to mean windscreen or not a windshield, that's on a car. Wireless freedom, so I mean you're totally free with this, right? I mean you're free anyway with your phone, but this gives you a wireless mic to walk away from your phone with. Versatile for a wide range of applications, but hey, I mean I'm using it for recording audio. I'm going to be using it. Now looking at the reviews here, all 5-star reviews. Great little mic. I think they meant mic. It says mix for just over $10. Nice and easy to set up and use. Great value for the price, and they did put a picture of it in there. Worked within a second, simple to set up, literally plug and play, which is definitely what it should be. Awesome fast shipping and great quality. Microphone is amazing, works well. More pictures here on this one. This guy says excellent, and it's in Espanol, I think. And so if we go back here, there are some other ones we can compare this to. There are several down here, and they range for anywhere from $9 all the way up to $90 for deals on related products. Now, if you would like to see a high quality version, there are some medium quality here that may be worth looking into. But if you would like to see a higher quality version, let's take a look at the DJI mic. DJI mic. And this is the DJI Wireless Mic Kit. So this is one of the highest quality kits you can buy, and you can see it does have 2,187 reviews. It has a 4.7 star review, and this is what you are going to see most of your vloggers and most of your YouTube people using, most of your professionals who use wireless mics are going to be using the DJI mic. It does come with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. You can use it with the small 3.5 millimeter jack, and you can also use it with the USB directly on the phone. You can see right here it has a storage case with it that plugs directly into USB Type-C to charge it. It has a 820 foot range. It has a 15-hour battery, and here's what comes with it. You get the windscreen, the charging cable, a nice little bag to carry it with, a little TRS mic cable, your transmitter receivers, your USB and lightning adapters, and your clips. And it does have a nice LCD display on the front of it, which is very cool and which I use a lot. So yeah, this is a high quality version of what we were just showing you for $11. So obviously it is going to be a much higher quality product when you go from $10 to $329 is what that one is going for. Now back to the one we were just checking out. There are no videos for this yet, so I was going to play a video for you and thinking maybe they might have someone that has a video review, but there is not one. So At some point, we will take and get an iPhone and we will make a better review for you guys. But as of right now, this is all we have on this because we can't actually plug it in and listen to the sound quality. Buyer beware, it is an $11.48 microphone. So you know what you're getting for $11.48. Now let's talk a little bit about the channel again. Supercar Street Racing is a channel. We do video reviews, we do house stuff, we do power sports, golf cart, mini bike, Tesla, everything. And we so much appreciate you coming to the channel and supporting us. And please, once again, like and subscribe and click through our product links. Even if you're not buying this microphone, I'll have a link to it in the description. But even if you're not buying this, go ahead and click through that link and purchase anything on Amazon, and we will get a credit and we will get a small amount of money to put back into the channel because, as you guys know, we do lose money on the channel. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time with some more content on Supercar Street Racing. See you guys later.